What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something incredibly exciting in my hands, especially for all you mobile gamers out there. This is the brand new RedMagic 10 Pro, a phone that's been hyped up as a true gaming beast. It promises insane performance, a colossal battery, and some seriously advanced cooling technology. But does it actually deliver? That's what we're here to find out. Let's tear this box open and see if the hype is real. Right off the bat, the packaging itself feels premium. You've got this sleek black box with the iconic RedMagic logo and some futuristic artwork that just screams gaming. It definitely sets the tone for what's inside. Let's slide it open. Okay, first up, we have the device itself, which we'll get to in just a moment. Beneath it, RedMagic has packed in everything you need. Here, the 100-watt fast charger. This thing is going to be a game changer for getting back into the action quickly. We also have a sturdy red-accented USB-C to USB-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, and a nice surprise, a clear protective case. It's great to see a case included right in the box to protect your investment from day one. Alright, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's peel off this plastic wrap and get our first look at the RedMagic 10 Pro. While the back design is just as aggressive and gamer-centric as you'd expect. It has these sharp, futuristic lines, subtle gaming accents, and of course, those signature RGB lights that you can customize. The camera module is neatly integrated into the design, keeping it sleek. Picking it up, it definitely has some heft to it, which isn't surprising given the massive battery inside, but it feels incredibly solid and well built. The materials feel premium, not bulky. Let's check the layout. On the right side, we have the power button and volume rockers, along with the dedicated gaming triggers, which feel tactile and responsive. On the left, there's the signature red GameSpace slider to instantly jump into gaming mode. Down at the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port and the SIM tray. It's a design that's clearly been thought out with gamers in mind. Now, let's boot this thing up and check out that display. There's the RedMagic startup animation, very cool. And here we are. This screen is a massive 6.85-inch AMOLED panel, and it looks absolutely stunning. The first thing you notice is how immersive it is, thanks to the near bezel-less design and the under-display camera. There's no notch or punch hole to distract you, which is perfect for gaming. It boasts a 144Hz refresh rate, and you can feel it immediately. Just scrolling through the menus is incredibly fluid and buttery smooth. The colors are vibrant and bright, and the blacks are super deep. This display is going to make games look absolutely phenomenal. Let's talk about the powerhouse internals that make this a pro gaming phone. It's running on the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is an absolute monster for performance. My unit here comes with 16 gigs of RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage, so you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your games or experiencing any lag. But what's really impressive is the cooling system. RedMagic has included an advanced system with a built-in high-speed fan and a liquid cooling plate. You can actually see the fan vents on the side. This is designed to keep the phone cool during intense, long gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring you get peak performance at all times. And to power all of that, we have a ridiculously large 7050 mAh dual-cell battery. That is one of the biggest batteries you can find in a smartphone today, and it should easily last through even the most demanding gaming marathons. When you do eventually need to top up, that 100-watt fast charger we saw earlier will get you back to 100% in a flash. This combination of a huge battery and ultra-fast charging is a dream come true for any serious gamer. On the software side, the RedMagic 10 Pro runs on RedMagic OS, which is built on top of the latest Android 15. The interface is clean but has that distinct gamer aesthetic. The real magic, however, happens when you flip that red switch. This launches you into the dedicated game space, your central hub for everything gaming. From here, you can access the game mode dashboard to fine-tune performance, customize the shoulder triggers for each game, monitor your CPU and GPU usage, and even record your gameplay. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that gives you total control over your gaming experience. The level of customization for the shoulder triggers alone is a huge advantage in competitive games. Now, while this is a gaming phone first and foremost, it does have a camera system. Let's take a quick look. It's a triple camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel main sensor. I've taken a few quick sample shots to give you an idea of what it can do. In good daylight, the photos are sharp and detailed with pleasant colors. The ultra-wide lens gives you a different perspective, and the portrait mode does a decent job with edge detection. It's a perfectly capable camera for everyday snaps, social media posts, and capturing moments. It's not going to compete with the top-tier flagship camera phones from Apple or Samsung, but that's not its primary purpose. For a gaming phone, this camera system is more than adequate and won't leave you disappointed. So, after this initial unboxing and hands-on, what are my early impressions? The pros are immediately obvious. The super high refresh rate display is absolutely gorgeous and a joy to use. The massive battery and lightning-fast charging are a killer combination. The advanced cooling system is a feature that serious gamers will truly appreciate, and the whole gamer-centric design. with its RGB lights and shoulder triggers, is executed perfectly. On the flip side, the cons are what you might expect from a device like this. It's a large phone, and it is on the heavier side, so it might not be for those who prefer a compact device. And as mentioned, the camera, while good, isn't at the same flagship level as dedicated camera phones. But let's be clear, this phone knows exactly what it is and who it's for. If you are a dedicated mobile gamer who demands the absolute best in performance, power, speed, and style, the RedMagic 10 Pro is shaping up to be your next ultimate device. It's an unapologetic gaming machine that puts performance above all else. That's all for this unboxing and first look. I'll be putting this phone through its paces over the next week, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on for my full in-depth review. What are your first thoughts on the RedMagic 10 Pro? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.